Hello, and we are excited for the next retirement workshop. And you may be here for two reasons. Number one is you've been working with 5 or 6 financial advisors and they just quite haven't got you at the comfort level of your retirement. You still don't know what to do. Or you may be here for the second reason, and that is you're just starting your retirement journey and figuring out how to enter your retirement in a stress-free manner. Well, that's what this workshop is really designed to do. It's designed to alleviate that pain of going to 5 or 6 financial advisor meetings, what that could last 2-3 hours. Your time is valuable, my time is valuable. So that's why I formed this workshop to make sure that retirees entering retirement don't waste their time going to financial advisors' offices, sitting down and almost falling asleep, or worse yet, have them come to your house and sit around your table and you're waiting for them to leave. So if you don't want any of that, this workshop is for you. It's designed for 6 sections and of education, and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of the 6 sections in just a minute. But really, what we're trying to do is fuel your retirement so you can leave the lights on, so you can go on those road trips on a full tank or go visit the grandchildren and always have a full tank. Because working with individuals, especially in the manufacturing industry, that's their biggest concern. What can I do in retirement so I don't run out of money, so I can keep the lights on? And making simple decisions, being educated on simple topics will allow you to make your decisions, not have someone telling you what you can do or what you can't do. I was just talking to an individual and they said, I know a lot of it depends on when I think I'm going to die. Actually, no, your retirement planning has nothing to do with when you think you're going to die. And so you're in the right workshop if you don't want to use that methodology as well. So I am excited to give you some bonuses in the workshop, and those bonuses are going to include the equation that everyone should know in the manufacturing industry to make sure they make good decisions in their pensions decisions, and also if they're looking to privatize their 401k in their retirement. So we're going to go over some basic equations that are essential to know in your retirement, and I can guarantee you haven't heard these equations to make sure that you're in a full tank retirement situation when you retire from any other financial advisor out there. And then second, I'm going to tell you why I'm so passionate working with manufacturing individuals looking to retire or maybe entering retirement as of right now. And that's because I was in the manufacturing industry when I exited the Navy. I did 2 tours in the Middle East, got out, went in the manufacturing industry, and when I worked in there for quite a while, and then I decided to go back to college. And when I was doing my exit review with my human resource manager, I said, what do I do with my stock? And she said, or my 401k, and she's like, whatever you want. I'm like, I know I can do whatever I want with it, but can you give me some guidance? And she was like, no, that's not our job. And so again, your human resource, your company that you worked for really is designed to make sure that you save for retirement. And now that you're at that point, what do you do? And that's what we're here for in the retirement workshop, is to help you into that next step so you have guidance that I didn't get or that a family member did not get as well as when they exited their factory job after 30 some years. I think that's basically it. So let's get to what you're going to be going over in your next retirement workshop, the 6th section. All right, the first topic of education will be taxes. And in this topic, we will look at deductions in retirement, the new tax code, taxes through history, interest rates, and followed by tax-deferred accounts in your retirement. The second topic of education will be Social Security. And during this topic, we will be looking at a short history of Social Security and taxation, Social Security taxation examples, when should I claim Social Security benefits and why, the break-even point, spousal benefits, ending with working after claiming benefits. The third topic of education will be healthcare, long-term care insurance, and life insurance. Yes, insurance. First, we will cover healthcare and Medicare, health savings accounts, and end with what is long-term care insurance. All right, the fourth topic of education will be estate planning. We will cover estate planning terms and how to choose beneficiaries. The fifth topic we'll be educating you on is income. We will be looking at income needs, sequence of returns, RMDs, the rule of 100, extremely important to understand, defined benefit versus defined contribution plans, annuities, dividends and interest, Social Security and retirement income, ending with your 401ks and IRAs. The final educational topic will be financial tools. We will be looking at risk-reward cost, helpful investment definitions and explanations, standard deviation, drawdowns, and ending with average versus actual return. All right, that's it. That is the 6 sections that's going to help you decide if you want to leave the lights on in retirement or not. If you want to take off out of that garage and hit the road to see the grandchildren, or just going to an excursion to make sure you have a full tank retirement. Those 6 sections are going to be key in helping you make sure that you enter a retirement stress-free. We look forward to seeing you at the next workshop. And also, please don't forget to make sure that you have your address, that we have your address, that you enter that in the information, because we have a workshop kit to mail you, a physical kit to mail you, to make sure that you have everything you need for that workshop. So don't forget to make sure that we have your address. Have a beautiful day. And again, we look forward to having you at the next retirement workshop. Bye.